Bakit ganito po yung sahod ko? I used to hear this every cut-off. As an HR staff, sanay na ako sa dami ng inquiries tuwing sweldo. Pero ang pinaka nakakapagod, yung paulit-ulit na tanong ng mga employees tungkol sa salary deductions, SSS, pag-ibig, late, undertime, at leave without pay. Lahat ng yan, laging tinatanong. Lahat gusto nila ng breakdown. At oo, naintindihan ko sila. Kasi kung ako rin, gusto ko rin ng malinaw. Pero sa totoo lang, manual pa kasi yung payroll system namin. At dahil dito, ang hirap i-explain lahat agad-agad. Minsan, kulang yung oras ko para mag-compute at mag-reply. Minsan, ako din yung nalilito sa dami ng adjustments. Stress na ako at stress din yung mga empleyado. It reached a point na parang ako na yung sinisisi sa laki ng kaltas kahit na alam ko na system error lang yun. Until one day, a friend messaged me. Sabi niya, "Uy, try niyo yung e-files automation. Sobrang lifesaver niyan sa amin." At first, hesitant ako. Baka complicated at baka mahal. Pero sinubukan ko. Here's what happened after using efiles.ph. Una, nag-input lang kami ng time in, time out, at overtime. Pangalawa, the system automatically computed all salaries, OT, and deductions. Pangatlo, each employee gets a clear, transparent payslip with full breakdown. Tapos, may real-time access pa kami to check historical data if needed. Walang halong drama. Wala nang daily follow-ups. Wala nang stress explaining deductions. Employees are more happier and trusting. At ako, mas nakakatulog na ako ng mahimbing tuwing cut-off. Kung ikaw ay tulad ko, pagod na sa paliwanag at computations, at pressure sa payroll transparency, girl, guy, besh, you need to try efiles.ph. This tool didn't just save my time, it saved my peace.